quick overview of the new air horn that resembles a train horn that I've installed on the Jeep over the past few weekends, installing the air system and the horn itself. I'll give you a quick look at everything that's going on with it. If you look onto the inside, just see a quick setup. Left hand switch is going to be for compressor power. Looking directly over the car charger is the actual button that actuates the horn. It goes into the solenoid itself. Coming into the hood, you'll see the compressor itself. And we just missed 336. There's my compressor. Goes down into the tank, which we'll look in just a moment. Coming out from the tank, it goes into the manifold. This is the solenoid that's right below it. Air lines coming up into the horns themselves. Right now they're just quickly zip tied, but I do have some bracketing that I'm about to put into them. These are the Wolo Siberian Express. Somewhat resembles a P3 if I recall correctly. Have everything powered in. Coming into a couple relays that I have. Forgive the spaghetti. Looking underneath. The airline coming in to the tank. 1 gallon Viair Vital Air tank along with the compressor. Coming out here, I have access to the air itself if ever I need be. Shut off valve, pressure going out through the transfer case into the front of the vehicle. And that's a quick overview of the interior. Here's the standard horn itself. And here's the train horn. Now let's see if we can go for a run by. As you can tell, it's a noisy little booger when that thing is running. Compressor cuts on at 80 psi, cuts off at around 110. There she blows. Y'all have a good one.